answer this question? Because absolutely I would love to talk about products. I'm a product whore. In this video and mostly every day, I started with the L'Oreal Lumini Glotion and the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. I moved on to the Kosas foundation in medium warm 240. I applied that with an Amazon makeup brush and the Real Technique sponge. For contour, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand in fair medium, and I applied it with this e.l.f. Putty Primer application brush. I used the Rare Beauty liquid blush in Happy, and I applied that with another one of those Amazon brushes. For concealer, I used the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in O, and I applied that with another one of those brushes as well as the Beauty Sponge. For my brows, I used this e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette in Taupe and this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Blush. I think this is either number 7 or number 9. I've had this since I started doing my brows 9 years ago. Gross. To set, I used the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in Pound Cake, and I applied it with one of these, nice and crusty, from Amazon. Sephora, Amazon. I used this Morphe brush to wipe it all away, and this is my favorite bronzer by Physicians Formula Matte Monty Buddy Bronzer. I used the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow in 001 Pink and this Amazon brush again to apply. To carve out my brows, I used more of the Hourglass concealer in the Morphe M432 brush. Looks like that. On my lips, I've got Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk and Bag Balm. And to set it all, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Also had on this light, which by the way I love, from Amazon. These obviously went viral, but mine took so long to get here. Big fan though. Look how fucking, whoa. And I pretty much use a concoction of these things, maybe adding a highlight or a different blush every day.